Hi friends, can Betta fish live with goldfish? Why not? It's understandable why you'd want to put Betta fish and goldfish in the same tank. Both of these species have brilliant colors that complement one another. Betta fish and goldfish have different care requirements and are not typically recommended to be kept together in the same tank. While both species are popular aquarium fish, they have distinct needs that can make cohabitation challenging. Let me explain why. 1. Temperature requirements. Betta fish are tropical fish that thrive in warmer water temperatures ranging from 78-80 degrees Fahrenheit, 25-27 degrees Celsius. On the other hand, goldfish are cold water fish that prefer cooler temperatures around 65-72 degrees Fahrenheit, 18-22 degrees Celsius. Maintaining a suitable temperature for both species can be difficult, and compromising on temperature can lead to stress, weakened immune systems, and potential health issues for both fish. 2. Size and space. Goldfish can grow quite large, and they require spacious tanks with ample swimming space. They produce more waste compared to Betta fish, which means they need more water volume and efficient filtration to maintain good water quality. In contrast, Betta fish are smaller and more suited to smaller aquariums. Keeping them together in a tank that meets the needs of goldfish can create cramped and stressful conditions for the Betta. 3. Water conditions. Goldfish are known for their high waste production, which can result in increased ammonia and nitrate levels in the water. Betta fish, on the other hand, are more sensitive to poor water quality and require cleaner water conditions. The different water quality needs of goldfish and Betta fish can make it challenging to maintain a healthy environment for both species in the same tank. 4. Behavior and compatibility. Betta fish, especially the males, can be territorial and aggressive towards other fish, especially those with long fins or bright colors that resemble another male Betta. Goldfish, with their flowing fins, may trigger aggressive behavior in Betta fish. This can lead to stress, injury, and even death for one or both species. Considering these factors, it's generally recommended to keep Betta fish and goldfish in separate tanks to ensure the best care and well-being for each species. If you're interested in keeping both species, it's best to provide them with their own appropriate environments that meet their specific needs. If you found the video useful, then please subscribe to the channel. I would be very grateful. Bye everyone.